Nasiol ZR53 Nano Car Paint Protection is applied easily on all lacquered paint body with the shown order and black plastic trim surfaces, rims, and bumpers. Your car should be prepared accordingly and free of dust, dirt, and oil. Make sure your car is totally dry. Apply the product in a closed space. Before applying the product, clean the surface with Nasio Clean to increase bonding performance and make sure there is no minor dirt or residue. Wear nitrile gloves when applying the product. Gently shake the bottle a few times and open the lid. Tip the bottle of ZR53 on the cotton applicator pad 4 to 5 times for the right amount of product for one panel as shown on the application video. One panel is around 1 square meter. Use one cotton applicator pad for 2 panels at the most. Apply the product with the pad to the surface with a gentle pressure and moving in vertical lines until you have covered the entire area. Do not buff with the application pad. Be sure to miss no spots to achieve the required coating size. Immediately wipe the panel with a microfiber cloth just after bubbling forms on the surface. Use the initial buffing microfiber first to remove excess product from the car. Buff the panel with circular movements and with gentle pressure to not damage unformed nano coating. Fold the cloth in order to obtain 8 sides and use every side of the microfiber. Use the final buffing microfiber with circular and gentle movements until there is no haze or residue. Apply to each panel step by step and finish the job. All applications are complete approximately in 1 hour. One layer of coating is enough. If desired, a second layer can be applied after all car application is finished. Wait for 48 hours, protecting it from wax, stains, rain, and washing. ZR53 technology enables it to achieve a nano coating, protecting your car for up to 3 years. Nasio. Love and protect the original.